kept really those books actually really heart-touching to me. But this cafe actually reminds me of my childhood memories. Let me show you something. These books are from my childhood. Each book has its own story. Like this book has been gifted by my friend once. Because of this book, I actually found her my long lost friend. And the visit to the cafe Ricky actually reminded me all those memories that we once enjoyed. And about the features, and the main features of our cafe are library, the cafe, and the art and comic exhibition. The library is actually really enriched, and the cafe you can have some wonderful refreshments and enjoy reading a book. And the art exhibition and the comic is actually really interesting. There is actually exhibition of comics, and you can actually draw your own caricature. And from now on, I would like to request you to focus on our presentation so that you can answer some quizzes and win viewers. Now I would like to give the platform to my friend Shahriar to talk briefly about the main features.
The main feature of this book cafe is of course the library. This library actually has very versatile book collection. You can find books from like old literature to modern fiction. There are some paintings and musical instruments, handmade musical instruments in there. Let's see some books. These are some books that we found interesting. These books actually is related to me, and this reminds me of my childhood. I think the Dibu number 2 book is the best piece of literature Jafar Iqbal has ever created. And Amati Betu is a old literature classic one. And Amito, that actually is about the mother and relationship between the child. And these equal that. Most likely the case, if you are 30 years old, you know about this book. And modern kids don't read this book anymore. And the last one, that is I think it is the most addictive series my novel has ever created. And there are 23 books in this series. And I remember I read 22 of them in 22 series. These are some like really nice book. And there are some other books, like 100 years old books, but they are not, they were not preserved, so we could not show you them. And what sets this library apart from the other ones is some beautiful paintings. And it's not only the paintings, it's also the selection of paintings. You can see on the right, it's the Bidro, it's well known. But on the left, it is painted by S.M. Sultan. And what is so different about his paintings is farmers' his paintings are very masculine and they are really strong. Because his philosophy was that farmers are the driving wheel of our society. And what is nice about this collection is they are actually trying to tell us about the paintings that we actually don't know about. And there are some interesting musical instruments there. The first one is Dutara, two string guitar type instrument, and the first one is Ekta. We know it, but the third one is Sheta, which has 6 strings. The thing that I didn't know about is this one can be played as guitar, and this same piece of equipment can be played as violin too. And that's the main thing. And thing that I found interesting that there is a comic art gallery, and there is an exhibition going on. We went there and see some pictures. These all cartoons are drawn by Unma, and I think these things actually sets this library apart from the other ones, and it's actually a book cafe, so there is more to it, and I would give the floor to my friend Asif to about this. Thank you.
So Shahriar has talked about how the library is and the features of the library and the book collections. But VT Prakasan is not only a library, it's a book cafe, so the cafe is there. The first floor is the cafe. The interior of the cafe is very cozy and lively. It was so lively that we couldn't even get to sit because the whole cafe was full. So people come here to relax and gossip while eating. So you can also do your academic and office works and grab a coffee while reading a book because the environment is such home-like. So the VT Prakasan also has a specific section for kids, which has a very friendly environment. Which encourages the kids to socialize and play together. It was so encouraging that my little niece went there and tore apart all the books. And each section also features a wide range of books, including the story books, picture books, etc. It also has a unique feature that I have seen is that the interactive session, which involves teaching the little kids rhymes and stories, which correlates with their life in the future. The book cafe also has a diverse audience ranging from kids to adults. The book cafe features a large book collection for all types of persons. It is also a very good place for Instagram photo shoots and film shooting. And many celebrities also come here regularly. Even the day we went to the book cafe, there are many artists and influencers there, and there were taking photos. So the book cafe also serves as a cultural center, and I would like to pass the platform to my friend Mani, and he will talk about how it is cultural center.
So now, talking about influencers, there is a photo depicted of us not being influencers. So, there was this photo of us, this is for me, that Hari and Asif, and our friend Laliba, who forgot to bring her glasses. So, when we reached the destination,
Why is only 3% there?
there is
I can see. Okay.
there are 4
Okay, we need to take distance from you.
This is the same thing that happened with Laliba. So, she forgot her glasses, and when we were crossing the road, she just passed us without noticing us.
Okay, continue your presentation.
So then, there were, as my friends said, that there were not only books, there were many other things like the cafe, there was a gift shop book, and there were some nice things. There is a photo of us, there is a gift, something we can buy for say, some of you. And we found an interesting thing there, a book that was written by Asif. His name is Asif. So now, talking about gifts, I have posted about gift for all of you. So what is the name of the book that I have wrote? Alimul Islam. Live, can I say it, please? So this is definitely not stolen from the book. And now, how many of you are familiar with this book? Sing. Only one?
Everyone is familiar.
Which one is number one? Which one is number
Dipu,
two?
Dipu. Dipu.
Two?
No,
Okay, how many answers?
আমি আনসার করছি তো এই
দীপু ওয়ান বড়টা দীপু
Can I
ছোটটা।
try?
One is Dipu number 2.
এটা কি মুভি কি মুভি সুন্দর
And now, and there was only sacred also. Sacred of different types. We saw Alimul Islam and obviously.
Amadir Dipu is not right. That is Vibhuti-Bhushan Bandyopadhyay.
Apu already answered the question before asking the question. But Apu will not visit this one. Apu already got one. So, because Apu got all the gifts, now I have another extra question for you. Because we have one more stolen gift from the two blocks. So, how many musical instruments were shown?
3.
How many of you? 3.
কি কি কোশ্চেন কি
How many of you are? It's 2. How many? 2. 4.
কি কি
Can I have a clap for? Yes. Why is 4? There is the first one. And then there is this is how we conclude our presentations. And there is a nice book also that matches up with Fira from Goan. It's a really nice book. So if you ever have time, when it's our academic pressure, you can different charges. I will also recommend this
That was a nice one, and you used a really good technique to catch the attention of the audience. But you could give a disclaimer that you will be distributing chocolates to the winners.
And this ever was
Okay. So yeah, that was a good presentation. Where is the cafe located?
Nimbu 11.
Mirpur 11. I must inshallah pay a visit to that. Thank you.
বলবো না আর ভাই ওদের টিম মেম্বার ওদের টিম এটা শান্তি আমাদের দেখি রাইট চেঞ্জার কি কাজ করে না একদমই কাজ করে মাঝে মধ্যে কাজ করে পাঁচশোটা নিয়ে এলে তো পুরো খুলে নিয়ে
হ্যান্ডজেসটা দিবি চেঞ্জ করার জন্য হ্যান্ডজেসটা দিবি চেঞ্জ করার জন্য
তাহলে ম্যাডাম ম্যাডাম
এই সমস্যা নাই মনে কর আমরা হাত এরকম করলে মনে কর ল্যাপটপের দিকে
নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে 10 মিনিটের জায়গায় 20 মিনিট লাগে তাও সিং করে তার মধ্যে প্রচুর অ্যানিমেশন আমি জানি প্রচুর অ্যানিমেশন প্রচুর টিকতে হবে
66. 66, yes. Then 95. Then 98. Third speaker, I want to third speaker 129.
Ma'am, 108.
Fourth speaker.
108.
তারপর হ্যান্ড রাইটিং করবেন 90 আপনি কি সব লাস্টে করবেন হ্যান্ড কি সব লাস্টে করবেন সিরিয়াল ওয়াইজ বলে 66 সেকেন্ড স্পিকার কে আপনার আইডি কত 95 থার্ড স্পিকার কে আপনার আইডি 129 তারপরে
Fourth speaker, 108.
108 তারপরে 98 তারপরে জন 110 okay start
I hope I'm audible from the back. Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone. Is everyone having a good evening? Yes. Okay. So I would like you guys to join us on our slice of adventure which we went on last weekend. So firstly I would like to take you to the discussion of why we selected this place. Number one, we wanted a place that was cheap. Secondly, we wanted a a place that had an easy route of communication. And thirdly, we wanted a place that had a wide range of activities because we don't get the opportunity to go out as a group often. So we wanted it to make it a day-long activity. So we came to the conclusion to go to Bangladesh Air Force Museum. Now Bangladesh Air Force Museum is a museum/heritage park. It is located in Agargaon next to the metro station. So we could easily avail the metro. And thirdly, we went here because we had the military facilities of getting a 50% discount. So our price was reduced greatly. And fourthly, the place was very family friendly, very secure, so it was perfect for after dusk activities and tourism. And lastly, the place was, the weather was very suitable, it was very sunny and very clear, there were very little to no rain, so we could avail the museum facilities to its full potential. Now, after entering the museum, we were immediately greeted by the carcasses of vintage aircrafts. Even the 3 airplanes which were used in the Liberation War of 1971 to inaugurate Bangladesh Air Force was also present here. This museum was mainly built to hype up public enthusiasm about our aerial defenders of the Bangladesh Air Force. Thank you for your time. I would like to pass the stage to Anand.
So, as we could all tell from her amazing speech, we had a pretty great time when we went to this helicopter zone. The weather was great, there was a lot of nice breeze, and we just had a really great, very nice time. But honestly, who cares about having this? We're here to have a fun time. So what we did was hit the amusement park right after. And our first ride was breakdance. Now, as you can see from the video, it's kind of a mess. So, just to put it into perspective, what the experience was actually like, imagine you're sitting on a seat that spins, connected to 3 other seats, and together you also spin. And there are other seats just like this on one big circular disc that also spins. So basically, it was this really dizzy, kind of chaotic, messy, and just super, super fun experience. So we all pretty much agreed that this was basically the best way we could have started our day. So right after that, we got pretty tired and sweaty. So what would any sane person do? They would probably look for a fan to get some cool air. Maybe they just stand there, wait for some breeze to pass by. But you see, we're not exactly sane people. So what we decided to do was go to another spinning ride right after that, just for some air. And that ride is called Swing Chair. Now, let me tell you, the breeze there was actually really, really great. It was super relaxing. For me personally, it was just de-stressing altogether because we had this really busy week ahead of us and it was just really enjoyable. But beware of looking behind you at your friends because you will get really, really dizzy. And you have to really focus your breathing because the ride will literally take your breath away because of how fast it's spinning. But unfortunately, as the ride slowed down, even though we enjoyed it, some of us did get pretty badly sick. So we finally decided to take a break, like normal people, and decided to sit down somewhere and have a meal. But of course, we can't really be talking about food without our favorite foodie, Sami, so I'll pass the floor to him.
So as Anand described, after the disastrous traumatic experience of the swing chairs, we decided that it would be best to just go and get some food. So our initial plan was that we would be eating at the Hercules Cafe. That was, the specialty of the Hercules Cafe was that it was in a big
What
cafe.
is that picture? Oh my god, what is that?
That thing is me.
Is that you, Sami?
Yes, yes.
That is you.
So ma'am, our initial plan was to go to the Hercules Cafe, and the specialty was that it was located inside a big carrier aircraft. But unfortunately, to enter the carrier aircraft, we had to pay 100 taka. So we decided to go to the one beside it, the cafe area. So we went there, and the big man of the group, me and Yasir, we decided that we would settle on a kebab platter, and the rest of them, they ordered a burger each. So as you can see, Sabira and Ariful and all of them were vibing with the live music of Cafe Air, and everyone was having a very good time. We decided that we would take pictures of the food, but we realized that we didn't until after we started eating our food. So as you can see, there are pictures of half-eaten food everywhere because we wanted to take pictures of it before. And being the kind person that I am, I realized that Tan did not order a burger. So I went ahead and ordered one for her, but unfortunately, when the burger arrived, somehow the burger went heavy. I don't know when that. So after that, we sat down a bit long. We got from the switch set train. We paid the bill, which came up to 1290 taka, and then we went on to our next ride. That was train. The train ride was probably the most underwhelming part of our entire journey. Mostly because by the time we started having fun on the train, the ride was already over. So we could not actually process what just happened. It was almost a waste of time waiting for the ride. So after this, we went to enjoy a very relaxing boat journey that will be elaborated by Yasir.
Thank you. So after that, for relaxing our body and mind, we decided to go for a ride in a boat. We split into a group of two. Me, Sabira and Ariful went on one boat, and Samin, Alvi and Amthan went on the another. There were life jackets too in case if anyone wanted extra precautions. So after that, we were having fun. Until we got really tired because I had to paddle non-stop continuously. Sabira and Ariful, they both shared the process of continuation because they paddled alternatively, but I had to do it all by myself. In event of that, at one time, Samin's boat, the rudder of Samin's boat started showing some anomalies, so they started to drift away. To make things even more dramatic, Sabira started to chant the famous iconic song of Titanic and to make jokes about it. So after that, we had really fun. Even though the boat ride was really exhausting, but we still had really fun, and that was really necessary for the motivation we needed for our next and final adventure that will be presented by my partner, Tan.
Whenever you go to an amusement park, there is always a ride from which you can hear the loudest screams. And in our case, it was the Ranger. Oh my, what a ride! 360-degree full rotations, and we were kept hanging upside down for a few seconds after each round. To tell you the extent, let me elaborate a little incident. When Sami got onto the ride, there was a bar which we were told to hold on for our safety, and it got really tight for him, so he called for assistance. Then the person told him, well, the bar will come loose after 2 rounds, and it actually came loose. Sami was sitting beside me, and when we were kept hung up upside down, he held onto the bars above his head rather than the bar that was in front of him. And the worst part, Sabira was warning us about the ride that there was a high possibility of puking. Well, after the ride, we were really proud of ourselves that we have conquered our fears. And the best decision was that we have kept the treat for the last. So now I want to pass the floor to Ariful.
After the Ranger ride, we are so thrilled and our tiredness is totally dropped. Then we are going to the station to try our return ticket. But when we are reached in the station, there are so much crowd. I stood in the line and told Yasir and Sabira to go to other line to buy ticket. But and interesting happened there. The police sorry, the Chandigarh village was got into a fight with the people because the ticket issue is so much huge to control this. Then another interesting happened because when it was my turn, the machine has seemed like done. It cannot, I can buy 200 taka and 100 taka also. Then I called Samir to give me his phone number. Then finally we got our ticket and waited for the train, but the train was so much crowded that we could not get on. Then I told the girls to go to the girls' compartment, and the boys somehow fit the compartment in any other compartment. So within 10 minutes we reached the Agargaon station, and now that's how it works.
So this is how our journey basically came to an end. We had so much fun that we basically forgot that it was part of our course. So thank you everyone for coming along and visiting our group. Thank you.
I'm really happy about that you people enjoyed a lot. I think আপনারা সব থেকে বেশি ফিল করে বেড়াচ্ছেন, তাই না? এদিকে আইসিউর জন্য ঘুরে ঘুরে নিয়ে গেছিল সবাইকে।
না, ডান্স তো বাম সাবে।
খুবই ভালো প্ল্যান করছে আর আমাদের জীবনের one of the best days.
Ma'am, we would like to thank you guys for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you people for presenting your trip details. Inshallah, we'll be going there. Okay, go get seated. Who is Bro?
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমাদের নাকি
আমারও যাওয়া উচিত ছিল, now I regret. বলতে পারছি আমি না, ঠিক আছে? প্রত্যেক গ্রুপের সাথে বোধহয় গার্ডেন যাওয়া দরকার। ওকে, শুরু করেন। আর কয়টা গ্রুপ বাকি আমাদের?
এই ওরা ঠিক করবে উনি
এটা সব ঠিক না? কিন্তু সবার ঠিক আছে। তাড়াতাড়ি ছেড়ে দিবো, কিছু হয়ে গেলে ছেড়ে দিবো আজকে। কত সময় লাগবে?
Before starting our presentation, I want to share a famous quote by
বাবা, আপনার আইডিটা একটু বলবেন?
107.
আইডি লেখা
117.
117, 23 batch.
Yes, sir.
Then
105.
second speaker
No,
105.
ma'am. Second speaker is 117.
First speaker আপনি আপনার আইডি কত?
107.
হ্যাঁ 107, তারপর 117,
Yes, ma'am. Number 105.
105. কোনো ব্যাচের কেউ আছে? তিনজন আপনারা?
99 last.
সিরিয়ালি আপনাদের রোল নাম্বারগুলো বলো।
107. 117. 105. 99.
99. Go on.
Before starting our presentation, I want to share a famous quote by Ibn Battuta. Traveling leaves us speechless, but it turns us into a storyteller. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Taslim Alam, along with Ahmed Ali Imran, Sinat Hussain, and Mohammed Ridoy. Today we are going to present on a short but exciting tour that we have just made. We have started our journey from Shahabad. As we all know that Shahabad is a part of Dhaka. It is a major neighborhood and an important cultural and intellectual hub in Dhaka. It is famous for its outstanding ambience. The place combined the three important institutions like the University of Dhaka, the Bangladesh National Museum, the Shahabad Square. In fact, basically, it is famous for its political activism. We also private the Shohid Minar, which is an outstanding monument of Bangladesh, was built as a tribute for the people who have given their life for the language. We also try to cover the Carson Hall, which implies the beauty of Dhaka University. In fact, throughout the presentation, you get to see too many places that have made our short tour truly exciting. Whether you are Whether you're planning for your next trip or curious about what it has to offer, then the presentation is gonna give you a clear idea of that places. So without making any delay, let's embark the presentation and discover the eye-catching sites throughout the presentation. Now I want to hand over the further part of the presentation to my groupmate Ahmed Al Imran.
So, Shower is maybe a small place, but every spot is worth exploring. For better comprehending, we categorize Shower into three categories. The first one is educational hub, and the second one is historic and cultural places, and the third one is natural beauties. In educational hub, we have faced DO, WED and DMC. In historic and cultural place, we visited Shoaib Minar, the 7 March Tombo, and the Bangladesh National Museum, TSC, and Power Market and Newspaper Book Market. In natural beauties, there is Ramna Park, Sohrawardi Park, and DU campus. So our journey, the meeting place was in DU railway station, and there in front of there is Sohrawardi Udyan. So we started our journey at Sohrawardi Udyan. There is important monument is called Shadinota Istambo and the Shikha Chiranton, the in Natal Market. We also visited Paris, our place of this place. The next place was New Cartoon Hall. We visited that place. The next place our is Shoaib Minar. There is some clips of there. Then we visited. Then we visited DMC and WED. There our friend Fatin got quite emotional to our his first choice was WED. So unfortunately that was not.
Sorry? You was admitted there?
No, he want to admit there. Unfortunately it's not.
Okay.
So after that we moved to our next place in the book market, and we had not given we had not much time to visit there, so unfortunately we had no photos. Then we visited New Campus.
Then?
And finally we visited KFC and Sharp.
You have visited a lot of places, I see. Then?
So furthermore, this is our most places we visited. Now I invite one favorite Simla.
খেললাম
বেশি টাইম নিতেছে
একটু ওয়েট করো, দেখেন প্রজেক্টটা ঠিক হয় কিনা। তো আমি একটু দেখে দেন ওদেরকে। হেল্প করেন, কাজ করতেছে না কেন? যদি আপনার
সবার লাস্টে সবার লাস্টে
কাজেরটা করা
তোর কই কিছু কিন্তু
থাকবো দেখলেই মজা হবে না মানে সারপ্রাইজ দেবো
আচ্ছা
এই সব খাবার তো দেওয়া হয়ে গেল শুনলাম এদিক চাপে চাপে এদিক চাপে বলো ভালোর জন্য
Okay, everyone. Now I will tell you the experience about my food. We have a lot of experience. First food is chicken gravy. It was very cost for us because we have no money at that moment because Ali not cash out at that moment from Vikas. It is Kabuli pulao, it is Afghani variety, and we can get it because it was available in Lalbagh, not in South. The famous lemon chutney, it was very spicy, and we have a terrible moment at that moment because we don't have any butter. Now it is bhelpuri and it was very delicious. Now very interesting food. It is known as Noli Halim. It was very tasty. That is, I had a great desire to have this food because it is called Manichane Pulao and it is located at Puran Dhakao. But it is available for in early morning. But we go there in like 10 p.m. at 10 a.m. so we can get it. And after that we got this. It is called Pasmishali Horta. It contains a lot of fruits and it was very spicy. After that, we get this Doi Chira. It was very delicious and it was like our no, it is our dessert at last moment. Now I'll invite
কি ঘোরা করছে অনেক ঘুরছে
এই ওই পিছনে তারে বাবা দেখছস নাকি হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
সেটা কি কান করতে পারলে
জিমেশ আমাদের টাইমে এটা শোনা যায় না
Our visit to Shahbag has been really in making experience. This private area, rich in history and culture, showcases the essence of Dhaka. We will explore so many significant areas like Dhaka University, National Museum, Dual Chottor and etc. And this enlightening the cultural heritage and aspiration of our nation. And Shahabad will bring some historical landmarks and also the present life living was reminds us the importance of preserving the cultural heritage of our nation. And that's also.
Okay.
ठीक है अपना तो ये कोई नंबर था আরেকটা
Assalamualaikum. I am Kim Shahidullah. Today I am going to share two experience of our recent tour at Bandharban. Before jumping to the details, I would like to share an interesting fact that Bandharban has. Bandharban has two highest peak in Bangladesh, that is Kiogano and in the next 50 minutes, we will share our full journey about the tour of our Bandharban tour, and our tour was set for the 3 days, but we could not plan accordingly to the of our journey. That is led to us we planning the tour plan in the before at the date of our yearly final exam. We basically forgot our yearly exam, and we gave us all time to planning to the tour of Bandharban. And what happened next? Can you imagine? No one can save us from the bamboo of the yearly final exam. Can you imagine of the excitement of our tour? Some of our friends sleeping at the Midwood district on the before night of the tour, and our tour started from the Osmani Hall. Some of us started from the Midwood 12, and our train schedule was 10 p.m. and we reached the station on time. And at 6 a.m. We reached on the Chattogram station, and in the middle of the journey we enjoyed a lot. We played Uno, card, and many more. But what? Jamil was sleeping whole of the train journey. Now Nakil will take this to me and
Assalamualaikum everyone. At first, when we picked Marantham as our destination, we already knew that Marathon is the place that will challenge our physical and mental boundary. After coming to Chattogram, we went to Chokoria in order to visit Marathon. And after coming to Chokoria, we picked a truck-like vehicle which is called Chandagari, and by riding Chandagari, we went to Aligarh. But in the meantime, Marathon showed us its teaser. The teaser was its routes. On the way to Aligarh, we have seen many routes. We actually seen plenty routes, but this road was not like them. Let's watch a video. So after coming to Aligarh, we have come to Yasin Hotel, and one thing is to mention here is in this Yasin Hotel 50-kilometer radius, you can't find any food. So in order to have food, you have to eat there. And after from Yasin Hotel, we actually our actual route began, trekking route, and from then we actually come to Marathon, and this is Marathon. Honestly, we at first didn't know that Marathon would be that amazing. The mountain was very high, but not higher than our motivation. The way to climb that hill was too hard, and because it's too hard, and it was hard because none of us actually climbed any hill before, any mountain before, and it was very hard for us to trek, and it was very hard for us. And it was very hard. You can see the mountain was very steep. It was all about 60 degrees steep, 60 or 50 degrees steep. The mountain was actually 1600 feet high, so 1600 feet climbing was not easy for us, and we actually was not experienced. We had to carry goods along with 2-liter bottle with us, so we had 1 liter, 2-liter bottle, which we had to carry 1600 feet, and that was very hard. After 2 hours of climbing, we were very much exhausted, but not exhausted enough to watch the view. So here you can see the rainbow is circling towards the mountain, and this is actually 5 p.m. maybe 5 p.m. view. We reached there at dusk time. This is the topmost view of the mountain. From here you can see the clouds actually, and the road is just going through the mountain, and this is actually morning view. After that day, and this is another morning view. It is probably at 5 a.m. We actually wanted to see that view, and in order to see that view, we actually had to climb from base camp again from to the top, and have seen that. And this is actually really helping us taking photography. Thank you very much for giving us this amazing view. And this is a very sad moment and peaceful moment. This is that Canada. So this is actually a very peaceful moment and a very sad moment for us, because this was the last night, and we did fun, and sleeping in a tent 1600 feet high and in a remote area was otherworldly actually. So this is Marathon, and after that we will visit the next one, and that will describe us.
So after Marathon, before reaching Nilachal, we went to Delhi. It was a short trip, and our driver is bad because our driver was caught by the police. And after reaching India, we took this picture. Many of you guys can think that we support this kind of thing, but we don't. We support animal love and get it animal love. And it was a short trip, but it was fun. Then, before going to Nilachal, Rashid gave us a treat. And this is Nilachal, the picture of Nilachal. And this picture was added because they thought like I am am very sad at this moment, but I am not. I am just tired. They thought that there was a contest and I missed that because I was sad because of that, but I was not. And when we were returning, we saw these slippers and we didn't miss out the opportunity to get back to our childhood for a couple of moments, and we took this ride. And it was, wow, this was good, but our journey turned into a tragedy when Azman lost his money bag, mobile phone, and backpack, and many other things. And according to our plan, the next morning we had to go Devata room, but Azman couldn't make it. But we continued our journey without him. We were sad, but we also had to enjoy our journey. And this is us becoming sad and enjoying our journey. And then this is Rashid enjoying everything with them becoming sad. And then we went to Devata, and this part we will discuss later.
On day 3, we have to go to the Devata, and also this is the last day of our trip. And we started at almost 6 a.m. For this trip, and we are called a local car called Chandegari for our trip. We reached the army base camp on Ruangchori at 11 a.m. And then after finishing our police verification, they told us to get back within 4 p.m. So we started our trip with our guide, and the beautiful scenery, the hiking, and also the zigzag road, just amazing. It's amazing, and we almost took 1.5 hours of trekking to get to the main point. And the trekking was very hard also. The road was bumpy, and that was zigzag hiking roads. And there comes the main point. The cave and the water color, just wow! Oh my God! How amazing that scenery was. Then after that, we finished our trip within 1 hour, which was a road of 15 minutes. And we were gossiping each other. We were got our raft. Fun fact that Adit's raft started to sinking because of his weight. So that he took a double person's raft for a single person, and then I also slipped on a rock and also lost one of my shoe over there. However, that was very fun, and we reached the other side within 1 hour, and also spent 1 hour on the other side to take photographs and some main places. We also took a boat to make more our enjoyment. The scenery was very, very amazing. You cannot believe your eyes without seeing it in life. Here's some good memories of us over there. And then, after coming back, we were introduced a local food called bamboo chicken. It was a food which was cooked in a bamboo, and that was very tasty. The ethnic peoples just cooked that and they served it. After that, we called our Chandegari for coming back, and that was our last day. We reached the station at about 11 p.m. and then our train was on 11:30. So, however, my next speech will be delivered to Jamil to continue the end. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Thanks to Reading for taking us through the breathtaking Devata Kumbh. As you have already heard, our 3 days adventure in Bandarban has an incredible journey. For this journey, we explored about many cultures of Maranthon. Like you can see here, there is a Maranthon view, then Neelanchal, then Devata Kumbh, and this is also Maranthon view. So we also explore many things to watch this and we explored these things and learned so many things. So there were a moment of sorrow and also the moment of physical challenges and moment of joy. So this physical challenge, we get rid of this from our teamwork. Our teamwork was best for this journey. So in order to have fun, we help each other. By the way, this for unintentionally. So then this is the main part of our journey. This trip gives us an unforgettable memories, experiences which cannot be given us through another thing. So this gain knowledge and experiences we can take through our life, and also this trip brings our perspective to view a theme. So thank you to everyone who makes this trip possible, and that's it.
I think because I haven't been to Bangladesh, I really want to play with it.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, you are invited to visit a trip for Bangladesh. Ma'am, you are invited to have a visit. Inshallah.
Okay, sure.
আমরা তাকে গাইড